Hi, my name is Saqib, and in this video I will show you how to create product photos using Just AI, which is a generative AI platform to create product photo shoot. So let's get started. To create product photos, we need a good picture of our product. Now I have already added my product into the platform, but you can always upload your own product using this button over here. Now add your product into the canvas by clicking it. In the canvas, you can resize and move the product as you like, and then add a template. So template is basically a text description of your background. For now, I want something warm and indoor, so I'll click on this. You can see the description of the background in this text box, and you can also modify to add your own elements, and then click on generate. It takes around 10 to 40 seconds to create two photos. We have our images. Let's preview them one by one. This is good, but this is also good, but the previous one is better. Uh, Maybe we can improve a little bit on the base. So click on the edit. This will open the image in an editor. We can reposition our bottle. Maybe we can increase the size as well if we like. For this, I think the size is quite good, so I'll leave it at this value. Okay. After we are happy with the new position, we just click on regenerate, and this will create a new photo. So we have our final photo. Let's preview this. As you can see, the base is quite good, and it also has the reflection, and the shadows are also quite consistent with the laws of physics. So there you have it, your first AI generated product photo. Thank you.